very good evening to all the viewers of Elixir Wellness. I'm Elixir coach Anupriya Sinha and I'm going to teach you all the basic simple steps of step aerobics. Before I go to that section, let me let you all know that I am a certified and licensed step aerobics and high-low aerobics instructor, Reebok certified. So let's begin. The very first step is a V. So how do we do a V? We call it a V, alphabet V, and we are going to make with the legs a V. A V. How do we do that? So we keep the right leg up, left leg up, right leg down, left leg down. We are doing the right V. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some hand movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. How do we do the left V? Left leg up, right leg up, left leg down, right leg down. And the hand movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. V. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left V. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is a side kick. So right side kick, right leg on the stepper. Make sure your leg or your feet or your foot is actually in between. Don't stand like this. Don't go away. So it's somewhere here and give me a kick. Right and left. This becomes a side kick. Now, there are variations towards it. You can do a back kick, back kick, back kick. Got that? The simple ones. Now let's move on to the next steps, which is the 3-knee repeater. The basic 3-knee repeater right hand side is 1, 2, 3 down. One more time. 1, 2, 3 down. Left hand side. 1, 2, 3 and down. I repeat. Right up. 1, 2, 3 and down. Left up. 1, 2, 3 and down. Now let me add a variation towards it. The 3-knee repeater. The 3-knee repeater with a variation. Right. Down. Up. Down. One more time. Right up. Down. Up. Down. Left hand side. Left up. Down. Left. Back. I repeat. One more time. Clear? The next step is a shuffle. Right shuffle. 1, 2, back. Left shuffle. 1, 2, back. Right shuffle. 1, 2 and back. Left shuffle. 1, 2 and back. Shuffle. Now the shuffle turn. The shuffle turn is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right shuffle turn. Right leg up, left leg up. Right leg down, left leg will tap. I repeat. Right leg up, left leg up. Right leg down, left leg tap. The left leg will now come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one shuffle turn starting from the right. I repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm only giving hand movements. I'm giving the hand movement. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle turn. Let's do the over. Let's do the over. The over is right, left, right down, left down. Left, right, left down, right down. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm giving the hands. I'm adding the hand variation, hand movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got that? Got that? Now, the next step will be the mambo. Now let's understand mambo. Now mambo has a lot of direction changes. So first I will let you all know the simple mambo. The simple mambo, right side mambo. So the right leg is the lead leg. So turn towards your right. Right leg, lead leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1. Go. One last time. 1. Go. Now, this was a mambo. Now, if you have to add some direction, so we say mambo round. So the mambo round is right mambo round, right leg, lead leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are facing this side again, but now we have to come back. So left side, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was a mambo round. How do we do the left mambo round? So we stand towards the left, left leg forward, left hand ready to move. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now right. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got that? Now, the next step is stomp. Stomp is right stomp. 1, 2, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Got that? Got that? Now, we do an L. We do an L. So how do we do an L? Right L. 1, 2, 3 and down. 1, 2, 3 and down. One more time. 1, 2, 3 and down. 1, 2, 3 and down. I just add one shuffle to it. 1, 2. Instead of doing this and this back again, see what I do. 1, 2, shuffle, shuffle down. 1, 2, shuffle, shuffle down. The next one is actually a complicated one for many, but I'm trying to make it simple. What we call as screw unscrew. So the right screw, right up. See, I repeat. Right leg up, left leg ready. Right leg on the stepper, left leg ready. So, how do we do it? 1, 2. Got that? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm facing back. Right leg is the lead leg. So, the right leg will go on the stepper again. So, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now faster. This was screw and unscrew. Then comes the various steps, which is clap, and we go to the other side. So what we do is right clap, I do it again. Clap, step, down, turn, clap, step, down, turn. Clap, step, down, turn, clap, down. Here we go. So, got that? Got that? so many steps. We can do the basic and the intermediate step aerobics, and we can also go to the advanced one. So this was with one stepper. We can do step aerobics with two stepper, three stepper, four stepper, 5, 6. It's up to you how well you can pick it up, how well you can do it. So these were few basic steps of step aerobics which you all can do. I think I have tried to make it as simple as possible. Keep practicing, keep exercising, keep having good food at good time, sleep well. Anupriya saying bye bye. Thank you.